Hello and welcome to the GBC Productions channel. This is episode 107. In this video, I'm going to be taking apart a small DMX controller. This one's by American DJ, model RGB3C. On the back there's a power connection and an XLR connection for DMX, and it even shows you the pinout of the connector. Here's the sticker on the bottom with the full model number. It's quite long. Now there are a few different ways you can use this. It has buttons here for static colors of the lights. These buttons down here are for program selecting or for actually fine-tuning colors that you want. With Program Select, the different sliders operate different functions. And if you're doing Color Select, you can adjust the red, the green, or the blue. And then there's also Sound Activated, and this has a built-in microphone for that. There's nothing else on the bottom. Just 4 screws to take the cover off. So let's get under the hood of this. Okay, all 4 screws are out. Lift the cover off here. And there's not much down there. Everything is up here. This connector comes from the XLR, so that's a DMX out. I'm going to pause for a minute and take this circuit board off, and we'll get a better look at it. Alright, the circuit board's out, and get a better look at everything. Quick close-up of the 5-volt voltage regulator. One thing I am surprised to see is that the 3 chips that are in here are socketed. Here's the faders, or sliders. There doesn't appear to be anything hidden underneath them. I just knocked one of the little rubber caps off of one of the buttons. They just set on there. I'm going to pause for a minute and take a closer look at the chips, and I shall be right back. Starting with this chip down here, this is an LM358 dual op amp. Up to this other 8-pin chip. This is an SN75176BP bus differential transceiver. And this last one is a 12C5416AD microcontroller. And that's all there is. Don't forget to subscribe for more, mash that like button, and comment below. Until next time, this is Uncle D from GBC Productions, signing off.